Kia ora koutou. As you know, if you've been following what I do in Te Reo Māori, you'll know that I love seeing signs around the place for practicing te reo. And here's a really good one about the pūhoi to walk with motorway alignment. So the Ōkahu viaduct in Te Reo is Te Arawhiti ki Ōkahu. Arawhiti is another way of saying bridge, so also viaduct. And then on the other side of it is Te Arawhiti ki Pūhoi, Pūhoi viaduct. And the next one on the track is Te Tapu Wai or Kahumata Moi Moi, the Moia Hill Overpass. So when you see a long word like that, just remember to put a break after every vowel. Kahumata moi moi. And the next one, Te Arawhiti pua ngā here. Pua ngā here. So underneath the translation is Kauri. Remember Kauri, not Kauri. Kauri Eco Viaduct. And then the last one, Pukerito, Pukerito, the northern roundabout at Pukerito. There you go. So that's all about the pūhoi to walk with viaduct alignment, and wonderful to see it all in Te Reo Māori. Ka kite.